Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is safe and may this rainy season show mercy on you. तो शुरू करते हैं आज का ज्ञान के एपिसोड 12 से. So today I have some interesting things for all the couples who are going to marry soon and those who don't know which photographer to choose and what things to keep in mind before finalizing one. This video contains more about my personal experience which I had with the photographer so that the mistakes which I had made won't be repeated by you. So point number 1, don't just go by Instagram. When I say it, I really mean it. See, when people say don't believe social media, I truly goes by this. I had made mistake by choosing the photographer by their Instagram profiles. Photographer आप अपने native area का choose करें तो better होगा because you don't have to take care of their travel. Also जो उनके rates होंगे वो भी आपके budget के अंडर होंगे. Before discussing anything with the photographer, just discuss the availability. Just show them your wedding dates and know if they're available or not because there is no point in discussing further if they don't have dates. Point number 3, make sure their editing and shooting style matches your vision. Nowadays everyone is on social media so you can go through their profiles. Point number 4, before finalizing the package, make sure you ask them to share 1 or 2 video related to that package. Point 5, ask them to share their packages. Now there is a thing with photographers. They segregated their packages in terms of basic, classic and premium. जिसमें ज़्यादा कुछ डिफरेंस होता नहीं है. उसमें सिर्फ इतना होता है कि आपकी वीडियो कितने टाइम ड्यूरेशन का होगा, आपकी एल्बम में कितने पेजेस होंगे, आप कितना रॉ डाटा उनसे ले सकते हैं, उसमें ड्रोन शॉट इंक्लूडेड है कि नहीं. पॉइंट नंबर 6, if you are planning to have a wedding together, like bride side and groom side, which means all the preparation of wedding at one place, some photographer have different package for that also, जिसमें bride और groom दोनों की wedding एक ही photographer cover करेगा. And I personally think it is a good idea to choose one photographer for both sides. Point number 7, ask how many people are assisting. वैसे तो ये mention होगा आपके packages में, but if they have not mentioned it, so please better if you ask them. Point number 8, ask them how they are gonna share the raw data and the other data also. They will not provide you any pen drive or hard disk. Most of the photographers ask you to arrange hard disk of your own, so it's better अगर आप पहले उनसे बात कर ले. Point number 9, make sure you get a contract. Before depositing any money, just tell them to give a contract through email. Most of the photographers पहले कुछ half of the amount ले लेते हैं and then rest of the amount after the wedding. You can also ask confirmation from the photographer about the receiving amount. Point number 10, clarify image delivery timelines. See, this is very important. Nobody told me and I have failed to discuss with the photographer the delivery timelines. You have made the full payment but still the photographer does that. He doesn't give you photos and videos on time, and it is very important to discuss it in advance because it is very time consuming to chase a photographer to just send those photos every time. Point number 11, and this is again very important, introduce them to your family. By family I mean closed ones, the one whom you want to have photos with. I tell you what happened in my case. The photographer have not taken my solo photos. He has taken the photos of those relatives which I myself don't know they exist. I had in my mind that maybe photographer is intelligent enough to recognize whom he should capture. Also ask them to take solo pictures of yours. You might find me weird when I say this. As I have told you earlier, he was busy capturing photos of other people. Point number 12, ask them to carry extra batteries. So here's the thing, if you are marrying in a hotel then they have generators, but in case you are getting married from home, there might be a possibility of power breakdown, so just tell them to carry extra batteries in case. I hope my experiences will help you in future. Thanks for watching and you can thank me later.